Let's solve Codeforces 514A-Chewbacca and number. We're given a number, and for each digit d, we're allowed to replace it with 9 minus d. Our goal is to make the number as small as possible, but it can't start with a 0. First, let's start with some input. We can track a variable to print, set it to empty string. We're taking in the input as a string, so we can use it as an array, and when we need to use it as a number, we can just typecast it with int. Now for I in range, then num. Alright, now for the first number, we have to kind of treat it differently. Because if the number is a 9, then we need to just accept it and we can't flip it, or else we'll give it we'll have an invalid number. So we set to print plus equals 9. Else we can just perform the checks normally, like we would just compare our current value to our flipped value and see which one is smaller. And numi. Just copy and paste this over here. There we go. And if it is to print plus equals numi, so we're not adding the int to our to print, but we're adding the string. Else to print plus equals string flipped value, which is 9 minus int numi. Here we go. And then finally at the end we can print to print. There we go. This short shows the final idea, but in the full video I find the solution live step by step. Subscribe to follow my series Programming Every Day until I hit GM on Codeforces.